Visually inspect all parts prior to installation to ensure there's no damage from shipping or storage. Measure the pipe diameter to verify the pipe fits within the range printed on the product. Clean the pipe of dirt and debris. Lubricate the pipe well past the gasket contact area with a thin coat of pipe joint lubricant. Place the saddle section of the sleeve onto the pipe. Lightly lubricate the outside smooth surface of the exposed gasket. Join the saddle top and bottom sections together on the pipe, making sure the tapered ends of the gasket aren't folded or rolled against the pipe. Loosely install the bolts. Next, position the sleeve to its final orientation and hand tighten the nuts to hold the unit in place. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the nuts in an alternating and incremental sequence. Begin with the center bolts and alternate sides as you move outward. Maintain an even gap along and between the two sections. Tighten all nuts. Chase the sequence multiple times with incremental torque settings up to the recommended torque. The gasket will continue to compress until fully seated. The gaps between the sleeve sections should be equal on top and bottom and equal from end to end. Use a drop-in style gasket or a premium snap-on Ford Ultra Seal cap style flange gasket. A retaining lip aids positioning and installation, while the compression ring adds superior sealing and performance. For tapping or for connecting valves and fittings to the flange, follow the manufacturer's installation and operation instructions.